When I think of breakfast, the first thing that comes in my mind is scrambled egg and toast and mushroom. Oh my god, yummy yummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled egg in the microwave. Very easy microwave method. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. This is Continental Food and Cake TV and my name is Joy. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you as you do so. To make scrambled egg, of course, we need some eggs. I'm using 5 large egg and I have a glass bowl, then a small glass bowl. I break the egg in the small glass bowl, then transfer to the big one to avoid the shell. I don't want the shell in my scrambled egg. After breaking the eggs, next I add some salt, then I add black pepper. Black pepper is going to add flavor to the scrambled egg. Please try it. I also add milk and I'm using whole milk, but you can use any milk of your choice, skim milk or tin milk, whichever one. So what the milk does is that it makes the scrambled egg creamy. It just makes it fluffy and moist. It just melts into your mouth when you're eating the scrambled egg. So I mix together with fork until it's well combined. After mixing until it's well combined, next I transfer to the microwave for at least 1 minute. One minute later, bring it out from the microwave and stir it. So this is what the scrambled egg is looking like after 1 minute in the microwave. After mixing together until it's well combined, put it back again for 1 minute. So this is 2 minutes later, stir it again. Remember to scrape the side of the bowl. Mix it together until it's well combined, then put it back again in the microwave for 1 minute. Depending on the quantity of egg you're making, if you're making 2 eggs, you might do every 30 seconds, but I'm making 5 eggs, so it's a lot. That's why I'm doing 1 minute. So this is 4 minutes later. So this is what it's looking like. The scrambled egg is ready, and as you can see, it looks creamy, fluffy and soft. This is how I like my scrambled egg. I don't like it dry. So this is how to make scrambled egg in the microwave. Very easy, and this scrambled egg tastes yummy. Tastes yummy. I'm going to show you how I serve my scrambled egg for breakfast. So I have my toast in the plate. I'm going to add the scrambled egg. Look at that. It is creamy. It's not dry. So that's what the milk does. I like to use milk. So I'm also going to add some mushrooms. I have a video where I showed how to fry mushroom. I'm going to link it in the description box. Check it out. Who wouldn't want this for breakfast? Look at this. Do you want this in your table? Please, after watching this video, go and make yourself some. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please feel free, hit that button, subscribe, leave your comment, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake, and let me know, when did you make your breakfast like this? And are you going to make one soon? Write it in the comment section. I love you all. Please subscribe. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.